go.
Hi, okay, so I am going to teach you how to do an Irish crochet. It's a traditional Irish crochet, and this is the easiest way I've found how to do it. So I'm going to be just using this ball of number 10 crochet cotton with a 1.5mm hook. Irish crochet typically is a little finer, but just for this video we'll do it with this one, which is a little bit thicker, so it's easier to see. Okay, so we're going to just get a slip stitch on our hook. Make the tail a little bit long because you might want to stitch in you know, a button or some kind of bead into the center of your Irish crochet rows. So we're going to begin with 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a slip stitch into the first one. Now crocheting over the tail and into the ring, I'm going to do 10 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's just pull this thread through, get rid of that little hook loop at the end, and we're back to the start. So now forget about this thread, just leave that hanging loose, and we're going to do a double crochet into the first double crochet. So 1 double crochet in there. Now we're going to start to begin to make our petals. So we're going to do 3 chain petals. 1, 2, 3 chain, skip 1 double crochet and a double crochet into the next one. Again, 1, 2, 3 chain, skip 1 double crochet and a double crochet into the next. So you're going to do 5 of these all together. 1, 2, 3, skip one double crochet and a double crochet into the next one. 1, 2, 3. Same again. That's 4 petals. Now we're on the last one, so 1, 2, 3. This time we're going to skip 1 and do a slip stitch into the first double crochet there on that row. Now we've got 5 of these loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now into each loop we're going to do 1 double crochet, 1 half treble, and 3 treble. So yarn over hook, pull it through, and again yarn over hook. It's 3 treble. Now another half treble and a double crochet. Okay, there's 1 nice little petal. So we're going to repeat that into each of these. Double crochet, half treble, 3 treble, half treble, and a double crochet. There's 2. Shaping up again. Oops. Double crochet, half treble, 3 treble, another half treble, and a double crochet. There's 3 petals done. 2 more. Traditional Irish rose typically has 5 or 6 petals, so we're doing 5. Four petals, lovely, and the last one, half treble, 3 treble, 1, oops, 2, 3, a half treble, and this one's a little bit tight, a double crochet. Now we're not going to join into the beginning of the row, we're going straight into the second row of petals. So this time we're going to do 5 chain petals. The first row was 3 chain petals, this second row will be 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then just look at the back of the, turn it over this way, have a look at the back, and get your hook in there into the first double crochet and slip stitch through. Okay, let's do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain. Turn it back around, get the hook in there. It's a little tricky. And slip stitch it through. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the flower over, slip stitch into the back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the flower over, slip stitch into the double crochets of the previous row. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is the last one. Yeah, the last one is kind of hard. Get it in there. There we go. Slip stitch through. So now we've got, if you're looking at the front of the flower, we've got the first row of petals, and behind we've got these 5 chains ready to be crocheted into. So we're not crocheting backwards or anything like that. The work is always facing you. So into these 5 chains now, 5 chain loops, we're going to do a double crochet, a half treble, and 5 treble this time. So 5 treble into the 5 chain loop. The next row will be 7 trebles into a 7 chain loop, but this one is 5. Oh, I lost count there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then half treble and double crochet. Again, next loop, 1 double crochet, 1 half treble, 5 treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a half treble and a double crochet. So you kind of see now this second layer of petals starting to take shape. So we're going to complete this row, all 5 trebles. Half treble, 5 treble, third petal, and the last one. And 5 treble, half treble, and a double crochet. So at this point, if you want to make the flower bigger, we're going to carry on. This time we're going to do 7 chain, and then your slip stitch will go into the back of the double crochets on this 5 chain row. Or if you want to fasten off, just simply slip stitch into the first petal, fasten it off, and you can make anything out of these little Irish roses. I like to make little rings or earrings, or they're also used typically in tablecloths and things like that, but I like to make little accessories out of colourful crochet cotton. It's really cute. So tomorrow we'll continue. We're going to continue to make this bigger, and might make a ring out of this one. Be nice. Bye.